Hindi nga ba stable ang freelancing? Ito yung tatlong bagay na ginawa ko that helped me sustain my freelancing business for over 13 years. Hi, my name is Mary and I'm a work-from-home mom. I've been a freelancer since 2009. Number one, alipin ako ng dollars pero hindi ako mukhang pera. While we are at it to earn money, to make a living out of our skill set, when I was starting out, I gotta admit, tumatanggap ako ng mabababang gigs. Bakit? Kasi pumondo ako sa skills. Para sa akin, naniniwala ako ever since na yung experience na ginigain ko from one client, pwede kong gamitin as a leverage para mas mataas yung bayad ko sa next client ko. Alam ko kagad na nandito ako for the long haul. So I gotta play my cards right. Number two, I do not let negative experience bring me down. Rejection, toxic client, stress. Through the years, natutunan ko na iwasan sila and that might not be a good thing but hey, it works for me. Instead na mag-focus ako dun sa mali, ang automatic yung utak ko, sinet ko na siya na iniisip ko kagad, what am I learning out of this experience? When you let go of the bad things, merong magandang dumadating. Tandaan niyo yung kwento ko doon sa super toxic na team. After kong i-let go yun, ang laki nung nakuha kong client. So lo and behold, what am I learning out of this? Sa negosyo, it's either you win or you learn. Number three, hindi ako naging complacent. Hindi ako tumenga sa comfort zone. Hindi ako tumambay sa kung ano lang yung alam ko na. Hindi ako masyadong umasa at inisip sa sarili ko na shit, magaling na ako, okay na to. No. Instead of unahin ko yung yabang na I'm earning this much na kaya ko na to, hindi. Lagi kong pinoposisyon yung sarili ko sa kung saan when I enter a room, I make sure na hindi ako pinaka-smart dun sa room na yon. When I sit at a table, I make sure na may mas magaling sa akin sa table na yon because guess what? We all learn from every person that we meet dito sa industry na to. Whether they are just starting out 1 month, 2 months pa lang silang freelancer, or sila ay 20 years na kung meron man. By surrounding myself with the right people, feeling ko gumagaling lalo ako. Ganun! Anyway, I hope you guys are enjoying your weekend. Comment any questions you guys have about working from home. Follow for more work from home chismis. Bye!